Open the image file with the signature. Select the pen tool and select Create Spline Path. Start tracing the signature. The traced signature is a smooth path. Delete the original picture and save only the signature path. Save to CVG format. Import the CVG signature into the software. Click the cross cursor at the origin position in the upper left corner, tick the dialog box after popping up, and then cancel. Select the paper size. Add a reference line. The reference line position is determined by the actual document. The horizontal reference line is at a height of 13.8 centimeters. The vertical reference line is at the width of 9.4 centimeters. Zoom in and move the signature to the specified position. Connect the machine, generate the G-code, and start signing.